Whenever I think about bleeding gums, I see a guy trying to eat an apple and shout, "Ouch," due to bleeding gums, and you can see the blood on the apple too. Weird, but not a usual thing that you can ignore just like that. If you are feeling regular bleeding gums whenever you brush, it can be an indication of upcoming dental trouble. You may lose your pearly white teeth and their health if you won't listen to their problem. Causes of bleeding gums. Poor oral hygiene can build up plaque on teeth and gums, also called gingivitis, that can lead to inflammation and cavity that causes bleeding gums. Constant lack of vitamin C and vitamin K and malnutrition, pregnancy and hormonal imbalance, critical medical conditions, or any ailment. Excess wearing dentures. How to stop gum bleeding immediately. Here we will discuss some amazing remedies for bleeding gums, causes, and preventive tips that will help you out. Coconut oil. Coconut oil contains anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, and soothing properties that can be the best remedy for treating bleeding gums naturally. It can reduce swelling, inflammation, and bacteria and make teeth white and healthy. You just need to massage pure organic coconut oil on the gums and teeth for 5 to 10 minutes once a day and repeat a few weeks or as required. Clove oil. Cloves are considered a panacea for teeth health. It has actual analgesic quality with anti-inflammatory compounds. Clove oil reduces dental pain, inflammation, plaque, and prevents bleeding gum, and is highly beneficial for gums and teeth. Let's see how to stop gum bleeding immediately with clove oil. You will need a few drops of clove oil, 1 teaspoon of coconut oil. Mix both ingredients and apply to gums properly and leave it for 10 minutes. Repeat twice a day or as required. Salt water mouth rinse. Salt water has also soothing and healing components, and you may have heard a couple of times about warm salt water for gums or whenever you feel a sore throat. All you need to do is take some water and add a pinch of salt in it and rinse your mouth with this water and repeat the process 4 to 5 times. Lemon juice. Lemon is also an effective ingredient that is not only used for refreshment or making lemonade but is also helpful for bleeding gums and gum inflammation. Lemon contains antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties that will speed up the soothing and cure most of the dental troubles. You need to squeeze a fresh lemon in some warm water and rinse your mouth with this for 10 minutes and squish in the whole mouth. Repeat the process once a day. Try to repeat it after having your meal. Turmeric. Turmeric contains healing benefits with antimicrobial, anti-inflammatory, and antibacterial property, and it can treat bleeding gums naturally and easily. You will need a pinch of organic turmeric powder, a pinch of salt, some mustard oil. Mix all the ingredients and massage on the gums slowly for 5 to 7 minutes and repeat the process once a day. Preventive tips. Consuming Triphala can be useful for bleeding gums, and it can fulfill a lack of vitamin C because it has dried amla or Indian gooseberry that is rich in various minerals. Do gargles with Triphala water and swish in the mouth. Eating fruits like apples, pears, and oranges can also treat bleeding gums and be preventive. Avoid sticky and sweet items like candies, chocolates, and maintain oral hygiene.